Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can fix the issue. Issue is that when you're just using the TikTok and you want to just upload something content, and you see that you cannot use a sound of in your TikTok, just like sound of music, anything sound. So how you can resolve that issue in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So simply just follow all these steps. I'm going to tell that in this video to fix your issue. Simply just follow the steps. Just go to the settings of your iPhone and tap to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected during that process. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. After doing that, just go to the general section and just go to the software update and update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. After that, just go back and just go to the iPhone storages. Just scroll it down and just find a TikTok. Just tap on that and just tap on offload. It's only free of the storage. And don't delete your documents, your data, your login accounts. It don't delete it. It's only free of storage. After doing offload app, again install the app from here. After doing that, just go back and just scroll it down and just find transfer reset iPhone. After tap on reset and then reset the network settings from here. After doing all these steps, I'm going to tell that in this video. So that's the matter. You have to just do that and just doing all these settings. I'm going to tell that in the video. So your problem gonna solve after doing all these settings that I'm going to tell that in this video. If your problem not gonna solve, simply just tap on a TikTok and just delete your TikTok, uninstall TikTok from your app, from your iPhone and also from your iPad, and then again go to the app store and just type iPhone TikTok. Sorry for that. You just have such a TikTok and just download again TikTok app and again log in your account and just use the sound. So that's it the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.